Welcome back to Lecturer 30's platform of learning. Today, I want to be discussing with you on the aspect of earnings in GPG that has to do with direct sponsored bonus. You see, different platforms have their unique way of rewarding people who introduce people into a platform. But in GPG, ours is not just unique, but very outstanding and rewarding. In GPG, every direct sponsor stands a chance of earning at least two ways directly from referring someone into the business. First is on the profiling of the new user that has to do with 11,000 registration, which will give that direct sponsor bonus as we tag 23%. If you punch your calculator, 23% of 11,000 naira will give you 2,530 naira. Then, after that registration, you are expected to activate the new user on a different package called the binary. Each binary package depends on the person's choice and budget. For every binary package you are able to activate, you stand a chance of earning 30% of the PV of that binary package that is activated. So if you activate someone on a Pearl package, you stand a chance of getting 30% of 24 PV that is attached to that package. If you activate someone on Topaz package, you're getting 30% of the 80 PV attached to that Topaz package, and this applies to all packages. So meaning on sponsoring someone directly, you are earning 23% on the profiling and 30% on the binary activation. I will still run you through on the other ways that you would understand how much you earn on each of these package registration along with the profile of the person. You have gotten an idea that in GPG we have two stages of earning direct sponsor bonus. First, on the profiling, which is 23% of the 11,000 naira, and second, on the binary activation, which is based on the package picked, and you earn 30% of the package PV. That said, in this video, I want to follow you through all the packages and what you stand to benefit as direct sponsor bonus on binary activation. Remember, binary activation bonus is tagged at 30% of the package PV. Now, to go further, bear in mind that in GPG, 1 PV equals 1,000 naira. So, on the get started package, where we have 8 PV attached to that package, if you are able to activate someone on that package, you stand a chance of earning 2,400 naira as 30% of the 8 PV multiplied by 1,000 naira. Then, on the Pearl package, which is the second binary package in GPG, you stand a chance to earn 7,200 naira as the 30% of the 24 PVs that are attached to that package. While on Jasper, you are going to earn a whopping sum of 12,000 naira for activating someone on the Jasper package that comes with 40 PV. If you go to Topaz package, you are going to earn 24,000 naira activation bonus for bringing somebody on that package that comes with 80 PV. While on Emerald package, you are going to earn 72,000 naira for bringing someone that comes with the 300 PV on that package. Then on the Ruby package, you stand a chance of earning as much as 90,000 naira as 30% of the PV that is attached to that package. This run through to the executive where you are earning 180,000 naira activation bonus for bringing someone as an executive package holder. Then the last is the Diamond Executive Package, where you stand a chance of earning a whopping sum of 264,000 naira for bringing someone on the Diamond Executive Package that has 880 PV. Now, you would agree with me for sure that this is not just a rewarding system. It is a system that is sustainable, a system that is true to itself, a system that is built on a long-term reward system. So are you still thinking about it? GPG Network Limited is not like every other network platform you see out there. Here we give true sustainable value to users. I want to ask you, are you still looking for a, would I say, GMO influenced compensation plan when GPG can offer you something very natural and at the same time highly rewarding? Look, you don't need to search too far. Be realistic to yourself. We're not giving you something that just pays you big, like the Christmas agri fowl. No, we're giving you something that sustains you with serious energy and at the same time sustainable all time round. Look, in GPG, we are careful not to give you something that just pays you big and suddenly goes small. Instead, we give you something that begins small and continues to grow big. Don't forget, the disciples of Jesus started with a call of two. The two multiplied down to 120, and from 120, we are almost countless today. That is what true wealth is like. So why not join GPG? Why not promote GPG and get true value for GPG? Because in GPG, our reward system is very natural and true to itself. Thank you and see you on board soon.